my dear friends, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. And friends, here I am also fine. Friends, here I Arun Kataria. Friends, as you all know that before 2 days I had shared a video of November study plan. I hope you are watching that. Those who are not watching, please watch that video, because in that video very most important thing is shared by me, that you have to complete your 20 days plan. In 20 days you can complete your full syllabus of term 1. Okay friends, according to this, today is our class 10 science chemical reaction day. So let us discuss with this chapter today. Okay, without wasting our time, friends, in this chapter we will totally discuss 60 MCQ questions, in which this is our part 1, in which we will be discussing only 30 questions in this video. In next part we will be watching next 30 questions. So let us start this part. But before starting, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are not subscribed it yet. And do not forget to write your name in the comment box and tell are you following this that pattern or not. Okay, so let us begin. Question number 1. Reaction of magnesium with air is option E, exothermic reaction, B, endothermic reaction, C, reversible reaction, D, substitution reaction. So the correct answer is exothermic reaction. Next, question number 2. Which chemicals are used in fireworks? A, copper chloride, B, calcium chloride, C, barium chloride, D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Now let us discuss question number 3. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, the ash formed is black, white, yellow or pink. Correct answer is white. Color of magnesium oxide is white, blue, grey, pink. Correct answer is white. If magnesium is gently heated, it forms magnesium oxide, magnesium sulfide, magnesium nitrate, magnesium carbonate. Correct answer is magnesium oxide. Next, question number 6. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, option A, calcium hydroxide is formed, B, white precipitate is of CaO is formed, C, lime water turns milky, D, color of lime water disappears. Correct answer is C, lime water turns milky. Question number 7. When crystals of lead nitrate are heated strongly in a dry test tubes, A, crystals immediately melt, B, a brown residue is left, C, white fumes appear in the tube, D, a yellow residue is left. Correct answer is a yellow residue is left. Next, question number 8. Color of solid magnesium is dark grey, silver grey, black or white is silver. Correct answer is silver grey. Next, question number 9. Consider equation. The equation which is given, precipitate of calcium hydroxide will be of green color, blue color, brown color or white color. Correct answer is white color. Next, question number 10. In writing chemical equations, inclusion of state symbols shall be done while A, correct chemical formula of reactants and products are written, B, the equation is being balanced to fulfill the law of conservation of mass, C, the equation has been balanced, D, the chemical formula of products and reactants have been changed to bring about quick balancing. So the correct answer for this question is C, the equation has been balanced. Okay. Next question number 11. Consider equation which is given here is precipitate of lead hydroxide will be of green color, blue color, brown color, white color. The correct answer is white color. Consider equation which is given here, precipitate of copper hydroxide will be of green color, blue color, brown color or white color. Correct answer is blue color. Okay. Let us come to the next question. Question number 13. Consider reaction which is given here. Moles of sodium needed to balance equation would be 1, 2, 3 or 4. Correct answer is 4. Consider reaction which is given here. State of south in this reaction is A. Liquid, B. Solid, C. Gaseous, D. All of these. Correct answer is gaseous. Question number 15. Consider reaction which is given here. Moles of O2 gas needed to balance the chemical equations 1, 3, 5 or 7. The correct answer is 5. Now let us discuss next. Question number 16. Consider reaction which is given here. Moles of oxygen needed to balance equations are A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer is A1. Consider reaction which is given here. Moles of ALS needed to balance chemical equations are D4. Question number 18. Which one of the given processes involves chemical reactions? A. Storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder. B. Keeping petrol in a china dish. Keeping a petrol in a china dish in the open. C. Liquefaction of air. D. Heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. So the correct answer is D. Heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. Next, question number 19. In which of the given chemical equation the abbreviation represents the correct states of reactants and products involved at reaction temperature? A. Let us see that O2. O2 is here given liquid. Is O2 liquid? Is O2 liquid or gas? Oxygen. Oxygen is gas. That's why these 2 points are कटेड. ये आंसर हो ही नहीं सकते. नेक्स्ट, इन्हीं दोनों में से अब हमारा आंसर बचा. इनमें हमें गैस दिया हुआ है. अब इनमें देखते हैं हम. H2 गैस, O2 गैस, H2O लिक्विड. ये हमारा सही है और ये हमारा गलत है. So the correct answer is C. Okay, let us see. Next question 20. The reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds is called displacement reaction, combination reaction, double displacement reaction or redox reaction. So the correct answer for this question is double displacement reaction. Next question, question number 21. On immersing of iron nail is CuSO4 solution for a few minutes, you will observe A. No reaction takes place. B. The color of solution fades away. C. The surface of iron nails acquire a black coating. D. The color of solution changes to green. Answer for this question is D. The color of solution changes to green. Next, question number 22. Which of the given statement is not a physical change? A. Boiling of water to give water vapors. B. Melting of ice to give water. C. Dissolution of salt in water. D. Combustion of liquefied petroleum gas LPG. Correct answer is combustion of liquefied petroleum gas LPG. Let us come to the next question. Question number 23. An element acts on the exposure of moist air, turns reddish brown and a new compound Y is formed. The substances X and Y are A. X equals to Fe, Y equals to Fe2O3. This one is our correct. In this Ag2S wrong, CuO wrong, Al2O3 wrong. Correct answer is A1. Okay. Next, question number 24. The reaction of H2 gas with oxygen gas to form water is an example of combination reaction, redox reaction, exothermic reaction, या all of these. So the correct answer for this question is combination reaction. Okay, let us come to the next question. इस क्वेश्चन में देखो 24th क्वेश्चन मीन्स क्या है. H2 is a gas plus oxygen is reacts with H2O which forms a water. This only saying when two reactants forms a new substance is combination reaction. Okay, let us come to the next question. Question number 25. Rancidity can be prevented by adding antioxidants, B. Storing food away from light, C. Keeping food in refrigerator, D. All of these. So the correct answer is D. All of these. In which of the given heat will be evolved? Electrolysis of water, dissolution of NH4Cl in water, burning of LPG, या decomposition of AgB aluminum bromine in the presence of sunlight. Correct answer is burning of LPG. Next, question number 27. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added to granulated zinc taken in test tubes. The following observations are recorded. Point out the correct observations. E. The surface of metals becomes shining. B. The reaction mixture turns milky. C. Odor of a pungent smelling gas is recorded. D. A colorless and odorless gas is evolved. Correct answer for this question is D. A colorless and odorless gas is evolved. Next, question number 28. Consider the reaction is an example of the reaction which is given here. Consider this example that is this a displacement reaction, combination reaction, redox reaction या न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. कौन कौन से इसमें से हमें ये बताने. तो अब देखते हैं. इज दिस डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन? यस. combination reaction? No. redox reaction? Yes. neutralization reaction? No. So the correct answer is A and C. Okay, so now let us come to the next question. Question number 29. Which of the following statement about the given reactions are correct? Of this reactions, okay, iron metal is getting oxidized, water is getting reduced, water is acting as reducing agent, water is acting as as oxidizing agent. Okay, so friends, let us see these steps one by one, which is correct and which is not correct. Iron metal is getting oxidized. Correct. Iron metal is getting oxidized. Correct. Next, water is getting reduced. Correct. C. Water is acting as reducing agent. D. Water is acting as oxidizing agent. ये दोनों पॉइंट्स कंफ्यूजिंग है. रेड्यूसिंग और ऑक्सीडाइजिंग, इन दोनों में कंफ्यूज होंगे. तो जल्दी से कमेंट करके बताएं कि कौन सा आएगा. ये वाला आएगा कि ये वाला आएगा. सी वाला नहीं आएगा, डी वाला आएगा. ए बी एंड डी ऑक्सीडाइज होगा. ठीक है, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. Correct answer is C1. Okay, A, B and D. This is the last question. Which of the following are exothermic processes? Reaction of water with quicklime. B. Dilution of an acid. C. Evaporation of water. D. Sublimation of Campo crystals. Okay, let us see which are correct. Reaction of water with quicklime. No. No. Dilute of an acid. No. Evaporation of water. Yes. Sublimation of Camper crystals. Yes. So the correct answer for this question is C. C and D. Okay, clear? So now, friends, totally we discussed with the 30 questions here our topic. And for today we have to discuss only these much questions. Now friends, thank you for watching my video till the end. But before that, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And one more thing friends, do not forget to revise these questions once more again. Revise these questions once more again because these questions are very important. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.